Hi students, theories of acid bases. So first theory is arrhenius theory. Arrhenius theory of acid bases. So Arrhenius scientist, according to him, in 1884, according to Arrhenius, according to Arrhenius, or according to this theory, according to this theory, all the substances which give H plus ions, all the substances which gives H plus ions when dissolved in water, are called acid or acids. Okay, acids means what? Which substance dissolved in water to release H plus ions is known as acids. While base means those which ionize to give OH minus ions. While those which gives OH minus ions, which ionize to give OH minus ions are called bases. Simply, bases means which substance dissolved in water to releases OH minus ion is known as bases. Acid means which, according to Arrhenius theory, acid means those which substance dissolved in water to release H plus ions, that is acid. Acid means H plus ions, base means OH minus ions released when those substances dissolved in water. This is the about definition for Arrhenius theory. Which substance dissolved in water to release H plus ions is known as acid. Which substance dissolved in water to release OH minus ions is known as bases. Okay, the H plus ions do not exist. Yes sir, released H plus ion do not exist. Then what will happen? No, this H plus ion in that solution react with water to form like H3O plus hydronium ion, that is known as hydronium ion. So it is not exist. So this H plus ion react with water, combination of water, otherwise H3O plus will come. So this H3O plus or H plus, both are like same. So this is about that. The next, which substance when dissolved in water releases H3O plus or H plus Cl minus. Now here this is acid which is dissolved in water to release H plus ion is known as acid. Next, some example I will give. Ha means acid plus water gives rise to H3O plus plus A minus. So this is acid. Example, H2SO4 plus H2O. When H2SO4 dissolved in water, we will get H3O plus. How many H3O plus? 2 H3O plus, because here 2 2s are 4, here 2 6 total hydrogens, 2 3s are 6, 2 oxygens, 2 oxygens, plus SO4 minus 2. So this is a acid. Next, like same base, OH BOH plus water, general equation this is, plus water gives rise to B plus OH minus. This is base. Example of this one, NaOH plus H2O gives rise to Na plus OH minus. So this is base. So here OH, from these base OH minus ions released, Na plus ion also will be there, so when dissolved in water. So now this is a base. Next, ammonium hydroxide also base, NH4OH, when react with or in the presence of water, NH4 plus OH minus will come, that is also base. So this theory, when acid or base react or dissolved in water to release H plus or OH minus ions, only bases or acids, he said. Limitations of arrhenius theory also is there, so that is also we will discuss. Limitations of arrhenius theory. So what is that limitations? Example, first one is, the concept does not explain these concept fail to explain the acidic or basic properties of acids and bases. Acidic and basic properties of the acids or bases in aqueous solvent. In aqueous solvent means in bases in non-aqueous aqueous solvent. Non-aqueous solvent means, here in this concept we discussed what acid means, which is dissolved in water. No, other than water, some acids dissolved in, some acidic nature compounds dissolved in non-aqueous means other than water, some other solvent they are using, some other solvent. For example, benzene is there, so benzene dissolved in toluene. About these two, here there is no water, but in these two acidic nature also having. About that he didn't explain, he explained only aqueous solvent. So acids are basic properties when it is dissolved in water, then only is explained, but other than non-aqueous solvent he didn't explain. That is one failure. Next, this theory fails to explain acidic nature of non-protic nature of non-protic, non-aquatic. This is non-protic. Non-protic means proton not there, like non-protic. Proton means H plus. Always H is there means it is applicable. Then H not there means if some acids is there, for that acids hydrogen atom not there, even it is also acid. For them he didn't explain anything. No, non-protic compounds example, non-protic compounds example, CO2, P2O5, SO2, SO4, NO2, NO2. So this is all acidic oxides only, but acidic nature he didn't explain. No, he's explained what, which is release OH minus ion, that is base, which is release H plus ion, that is acid. But here OH minus or H plus is there? No. So that only this theory failed to explain non-protic compounds, non-aqueous solvents also. Next one more. It is fails to explain acidic nature of certain salts. Acidic nature of certain salts. What is that salts? Like AlCl3, like ZnCl3, ZnO, like in aqueous solution, even it is dissolved in aqueous solution also cannot release H plus ion. No, because here there is no H plus ion in this salt, there is no OH minus ion. This is about some salts acidic nature, basic nature also he didn't explain. Some compounds means hydrogen not there, that compounds oxides, of which oxides, this is non-metallic oxides nature also he didn't explain. Some compounds not dissolved in water, for that acidic nature also he didn't explain. So this is the drawbacks of limitations or drawbacks of arrhenius theory. Thank you.